A big congratulations to Waialua Robotics team, champions of 4 regional tournaments. Team 359 Hawaiian Kids ranked first overall among 50 other high school robotics teams. Members of the championship team now live with us. Team co-captains Kai de Guzman, Bowen Castle, plus lead mentor Glenn Lee. Welcome. So, my goodness, 4 championships. This is amazing. I am a nerd, geek lover, so I love this. So how does the season work?
Yeah, so the season is split up into basically 2 different parts. The first is a 6-week build season where our students work with mentors to design, build, and then program the whole robot within 6 weeks. And then we go into a 6-week competition season. So this year we traveled to Canada and then 3 other events, as well as the World Championship.
Wow, this is so exciting. So Kai, how are you? I mean, I love that you're a girl, a female, doing this. So what do you like about robotics and this whole team?
Well, I guess what I like about robotics is that just the community that we have, and the just the way that we're able to create so many opportunities for our students. Many of our students, we go on all these trips, and so it can become expensive, but we actually subsidize over 70% of those trip costs, so that as many students as who want to can travel. For myself, my family couldn't afford these trips, but the team actually covered it for me because of the work that we're doing here.
Wow, that's so amazing. So Glenn, this is such an accomplishment for regional championships. So how were the students and you able to pull this all off?
It's hard work. It takes a community to do this program. We consist of not just students and myself, but we also have the support of our school, our community. We have a lot of sponsors. It just takes a whole bunch of people to make this work, similar to like a sports program. And so with all of that, what we want our students to focus on is primarily just working hard and being inspired. And our job as teachers and mentors is to provide those opportunities. So I think through all of that collectively, that's why we're successful.
So do you folks actually build these robots? Tell us about that.
Yeah, so a big part of our design process is actually the students learning from mentors as well as previous students. So basically in the shop, our students will use the advanced manufacturing capabilities that you essentially can't learn anywhere else to actually manufacture all the parts on our water jet CNC mills and lathes, as well as 3D printers. So using a lot of really modern technologies to advance how we build our robot and teach students.
Wow, so Kai, what did you learn most from doing this project and just being a champion?
Being a champion. Oh, I guess that it really does take teamwork. All 25 of our students work really hard throughout the season, and just the opportunities that we're able to provide.
And so from the STEM learning, what do you hope that these students learn?
Well, I think for a lot of our students, they don't have the opportunities or the resources to be able to look at what kind of opportunities are out there.
Yes.
So, our main job is to expose our students to what those things are. We have 2 seniors here. Bowen is going to WPI in Massachusetts. He's going to major in computer science. And we have Kai de Guzman here, who's also, she got accepted to University of Penn, Wharton. And so she is going to...
Congratulations, my goodness, Ivy League.
So I think the main thing for our program is that we want our students to believe that they can achieve. And we're sort of battling like this imposter syndrome where a lot of times our kids, in our community feel like, they can't, those jobs are for the other kids or those careers. But our kids believe that they can do those things and they dream big and they go for it. And these are 2 examples of students in our program that are going to go on to bigger and better things.
Wow, and speaking of bigger and better things, we're going to be looking at your award-winning champion robotics in action and how you created these robots. So tell us about that. Kai, so explain what is this?
Yeah, so this is our 2024 robot, and it's designed to shoot these orange discs. So every year the game is different, so it requires a new engineering challenge every year. So As you can see, the robot has a lot of metal parts, all manufactured and designed by our students in our shop that allow us to learn these advanced manufacturing things as I was talking about before.
Okay, show us how it works.
Shoot it. Left trigger. Climb.
Wow! Yes, oh my gosh, that is so amazing. Thank you so much for sharing all of this with us.